In a world where every action, thought, and heartbeat is translated into data, we find ourselves on the edge of a digital revolution. Life itself is no longer just biology, it's a sequence of bits and bytes, endlessly shaping and reshaping our existence. But what happens when this code becomes our lifeline?
Sir! Sorry, I'm late. Grabe kasi. It's okay. Excuse me. Do you mind if I sit here? Hey! Oh my God, it's you. Yeah, it's really you. You helped me last day? Oh my God, that's so embarrassing. By the way, thank you. Oh, what's that? Are you putting something? What's all that weird text on the screen?
It's just an assignment. Computer science stuff.
Wow, that's so cool.